What's up, everybody? Justin here with Bear Zapper Barbecue. I hope you're having a great day. We've got the Weber going. We've got a pan inside. What are we going to be doing? Well, we're going to grill some chicken, and then we're going to make chicken marsala all on the Weber. Super pumped about this. I love chicken marsala. I've never actually used grilled chicken for it. I've always cooked it inside. But we're going to grill some chicken. We're going to throw some brisket seasoning on there. Really give it that nice kind of sweet saltiness, pepperiness, and it's going to mix so well with the sweetness of the Marsala wine and the awesomeness of the gravy. So we got that warming up. We're seasoning the chicken inside, and we're going to hit this. Let's go. All right, we've got our chicken on. We've got our pan preheated, and in here we have some mushrooms seasoned with that same seasoning and some red onions as well. So we're going to throw about 3 tablespoons of butter in here and the mushrooms and the red onions. I lost one. That's all right. We just want this to cook up real nice. There we go. Let's let it cook. All right, so these are cooking up real nice. Chicken's cooking up nice. Now we take our Marsala cooking wine. We give it a nice bath. And we're gonna let this cook just a little. Let it cook out just a little bit. While these continue to cook, we're gonna throw in our very homemade jarred gravy. And we're gonna be rocking and rolling. All right, so now we're just gonna cut our chicken breast into nice thin little strips. It's beautifully cooked, super tender, super juicy. I'm gonna do the remaining chicken breasts, and then we're gonna throw that into the wine mixture. All right, so now we're taking our gravy and we're throwing that right on top. We can take our utensil here. We're just gonna mix it up. Beautiful. We wanna make sure that chicken is under the wine and the gravy. Really incorporate those flavors. Beautiful. All right, we got it cooked up real nice. Everything's mixed up real nice together. We're gonna take it off the heat. We're gonna bring it inside. So the first thing you wanna do is get a piece of bread, dip it, and you gotta try it. Cheers. All right, we boil up some pasta. We throw it right on top, and now we eat.